Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to book an Uber ride. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Uber is a technology platform that connects riders with driver for transportation, food delivery, and other services. It's essentially a ride-hailing and delivery service accessible through a smartphone app. Uber facilities ride-sharing, food delivery, and other services operating in numerous cities and countries worldwide. On my previous video, I've shown you how to create an Uber account, and now in this video, I'll show you how to book a ride on your Uber. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Uber on your phone. Now, you can go to services and choose on ride. Tap on ride in here. And from here, you can enter your pickup location. But before that, I will change the city. Okay, you can enter your pickup location. For example, this. And you can enter where you want to go. Okay, this one. Sure. Like this, for example. Now, you can choose your Uber. You want to choose Uber X. If you choose Uber X, it's affordable and faster, or you can choose Uber XL. It's for 6 affordable rides for groups up to 6 or 4 with luggage. Or you can choose green, electric, and hybrid vehicles, or you can choose van, high-end car for up to 6 passenger with luggage with top rated driver, or you can choose the Uber priority, shorter wait time, share, one seat only, Berlin comfort, taxi fixed price. There's so much Uber ride that you can choose. You can also choose moto if you want to professional driver on high-end motorbikes and maxi scooter. Uber Pet, you can ride with your pet or access. Uber Access, wheelchair accessible rides or public transport in here. Maybe for example, you can choose on Uber Green. After that, you can tap on choose your Uber, choose green. You can also add your payment method in here, or if you want to pay it cash, you can just skip this step, and now you can just tap on choose green and follow the step. It's very simple, right? So that is how to book Uber Uber rides on your Uber account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.